Hey.
Hi everybody. Thank you for coming over. Welcome back to NJE Life. Today I am going to make a delicious chicken noodle soup. It's been so cold outside, and so we are just ready for something comforting like this. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is gather all our ingredients, and I'm sitting over here to chop up my vegetables. I have 3 stalks of celery, celery kind of smells like gasoline to me. I gather up all my chopped vegetables into a bowl so I can just pour them all in at once. And by the way, we're going to be using our Instapot, in case I didn't tell you that yet. I know me and Aaron have already 2 Instapot chicken noodle soups, but this one will be a little bit different because my husband and I are actually currently like getting rid of the spices in our spice cabinet, and I didn't even realize that I might need some of those for this video here, so I'm gonna be a little bit makeshifting with the spices here with what I've got, and we'll see how it turns out. And I'm kind of excited to try these new noodles I saw at the store. They're Amish made wide egg noodles, and they're not the spinny kind, they're just like kind of rectangular. So I feel like that's a little thing that'll make it different and more exciting than ordinary chicken soup. I usually don't even put noodles in my chicken soup. I don't remember if I did for my last video, but that will be nice. I just put it on saute mode, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And I believe I did this last time too. And this is just to saute your vegetables with to soften them up. Instapot is just heating up now, and the butter is pretty melted. Then I'm going to add the garlic, minced garlic. Add a tablespoon. I do not like the smell of just raw garlic like this. Okay, so I know garlic burns really quick, so I'm going to stir it around. All right, I'm going to add my vegetables too. And I love onions, so if this was just me, I would have added onion to this, but husband does not like onions. Our backyard is a swamp. Look at that. Is anybody else's backyard a swamp from melting snow? Okay, so I'm gonna start adding these seasonings. So you might be surprised at what I'm working with here, but I am going to add a pinch of kosher salt. About a teaspoon of turmeric. Of white pepper. So I am going to add right now 32 ounces of chicken broth. This is actually organic chicken bone broth. Next add in your chicken. You can do thighs or breasts. I'm gonna give it a little stir with the chicken and vegetables. Put the lid on. Make sure the valve on the top here is on the sealed mode. Now we are going to put it on soup mode for 7 minutes, and then it will start itself. You don't have to click a start button. While our Instapot is cooking the chicken and vegetables and everything together, I am going to, on our stovetop, make these noodles. This is Jeffrey. Hello. Right now I'm just waiting for this water to boil. I'm not really showing most of my kitchen because it's kind of a disaster area and I don't really want to show how messy it is. But right now I'm just cooking the noodles. And we still have our tree up. We didn't even put it up till like the day before Christmas Eve, so we don't feel like it's the right time to take it down yet. So yeah. I've been thinking it'd be nice to do some more vlog style videos, just to switch it up a bit, because I've been feeling like I haven't had any really good ideas for recipes, or just haven't really been in the mood to film, but only because I recently got a new job and learning a whole new system, and I've been learning a lot. I just started at an urgent care, and as you could imagine, it's like a circus over there. So it's been a lot to learn, and it's been very chaotic, and I am not used to that at all, because the job I had before this one was very slow paced, and a lot of the hours of my day was just kind of free time for me, which was nice for me because I'm the type of person that likes peace and quiet. And this is the opposite of that, so it's just gonna take me a while to get used to that and learn how to turn my brain off at night after all the chaos is something I'm gonna have to learn. Yeah, how about all you guys out there? Do you guys work in any hospital settings or anything like that, and have any tips for me, or have gotten a new job during the pandemic? And we're boiling. Speaking of new jobs, one thing I'm still doing is making tie-dye, and I will link my Etsy down below. Let me know if you guys have any requests, or if you're interested in seeing tie-dye videos at all, or requests for customized orders. I do that too on Etsy. Or if you have any questions about tie-dye in general, you can always ask me. That's something I'm into. I haven't added anything since after Christmas though, because of starting the new job, and but I plan to make some soon. Touch the turmeric. It's bright yellow.